Hello and welcome to the Garden Fairies Garden. And this week on In the Garden with Susan, for the podcast, I'm going to be talking about oregano and all the different things you can do with it that are beyond the culinary aspect. And so due to the nature of some of the things I talk about, I don't think there's anything wrong with what I say, but I don't want to get in anyone's bad books. And so this podcast can be found on Rumble, on the Garden Fairy Botanicals Rumble channel. And so I'll leave a link in the show notes of where you can find this week's episode. And it'll probably be a few weeks that I'm going to be talking about herbs and what you can do with them. See you in the garden.